I demand on behalf of the Tibetan people that the IOC drop Tibet from China's tourist relay route immediately and unconditionally, carrying China's Olympic torch through the restricted country of Tibet, where just now in the past week and even today we are seeing evidence of Tibetan discontent. Tibetan people want independence. Having China take their Olympic torch, blood-stained Olympic torch, through Tibet to the top of Mount Everest would be adding insult to 50 years of injury that the Chinese government has inflicted on the Tibetan people. So if the IOC has any respect for itself and any intention to uphold its promises to develop freedoms around the world and to bring freedom in China, the first thing and the bare minimum that it has to do is to drop Tibet from China's Olympic torch relay route. And the second thing I also want the IOC to do is to ensure that unfettered media access is allowed in Tibet and China, not just during the Olympics, but starting today, starting now.